come here. Yeah, come. Hey, stop. What's going on?
On March 14th, 2024, officers with the Savannah Police Department responded to a Target store in Chatham County, Georgia, after loss prevention reported an active shoplifting suspect who had allegedly been targeting multiple locations. Store employees recognized the woman from previous incidents and observed her concealing merchandise before attempting to leave without paying. When officers moved in to detain her, the encounter quickly escalated into a dramatic struggle that led to additional charges.
She was in here. Let me make sure I'm still muted. She was in here yesterday doing the same shit, and I'm just sick of her asking, honestly. Because when they go in the fitting room, we can't.
Yeah, you can't really see anything.
Yeah, so hopefully her bag is full. And she will double. This was her yesterday.
Did she steal anything yesterday?
Probably.
It's about why she's looking around like that.
Yeah, she was looking real hard, she knew. But she'll double select, she'll get 3 pairs of men's pants, 2 of the same shirt, 2 of the same purse, so that when she leaves the basket, it looks like she left everything behind.
Mm.
But she never pays for anything. Yeah, this is definitely her. She had the same phone too. So she's probably stuffing her bag on.
She's in there now.
Still in the film room?
Mm-hmm.
Will he be able to slip out without her seeing him?
Yeah.
Go fast. Go super fast. Go so fast. It's crazy. You gonna bring the MDC in here? Grab a band form and an A and B.
Yeah.
Is that her?
Yeah, but she's just coming out and she'll swap a size out. So she might actually be trying to do it. But
Looks like a pink and a purple something.
yeah, she keeps coming out and swapping those sizes. So also that tells me that she plans on actually taking something today, and I know she ain't buying it. Because if she keeps actually trying it on, she wants it. And she's not going to buy shit because she never does. Who is it?
She just came out and grabbed more stuff.
Alright, so her bag, she's coming out. Her bag is, fucking packed full of shit.
Oh yeah. Did she just dump all that stuff in there?
Well, she left the handbasket, so her bag is full, so I'm comfortable stopping her.
You're stopping her?
Well, you're stopping, but yes. You were stopping her for the theft, yes.
Okay.
She's on her way out.
Hey Riz, come on. Ma'am, come here. Come here. Come here.
What?
Yo, come here. Yeah, come. Hey, stop.
What's going on? Oh,
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Ma'am.
Ma'am, relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax.
Hands behind your back. Now.
For what?
My cup's full. You got yours?
Yeah. Oh,
Ma'am, stop resisting.
okay. All right.
You're about to get
Stop
obstruction.
resisting.
I got a concussion. Damn.
42 Charlie.
42 Charlie, Black Street, North 95. Get a
Hold on real
DMS
quick.
supervisor for use force.
Use the force, you tell.
Damn.
No, I tripped her back.
That's my fucking
She kept
head.
pulling from me.
Hold on, I need to call my
Let go of the
kids.
phone.
I gotta call my kids.
Ma'am, let go of the phone. You're under arrest for shoplifting and now obstruction as well.
Damn, you made me hit my fucking head.
I didn't make you hit your head.
EMS, you called in?
Yeah. No, no.
Damn. Boy, I'm gonna get my fucking head.
EMS is en route.
Damn.
Go inside.
Y'all made me hit my head.
No, ma'am, you did that to yourself.
You got EMS coming to check you.
My shit hurting.
Back up, please.
My head's spinning.
EMS is en route.
Have the seat over there.
Okay. I can call my kids real quick.
No, not right now. You have ID on? No ID in your bag? What's your name?
My fucking head is spinning.
What is your name? Jackson?
Yeah. You made me hit my head, bro.
No, ma'am, you did that to yourself, pulling away from me.
Can I please call my kids? Boy, y'all made me hit my head. My shit's spinning. I ain't gonna lie.
EMS is en route.
I'm about to pass out. I ain't gonna lie.
EMS is en route.
Boy.
We have cold packs. Do you want some ice?
What do you want to show?
Can I please call my kids real quick?
Now, can you give me
I
a
need to
second?
tell them I'm not coming to the school, and I need to call my daddy nurse.
Okay.
We'll get that taken care of.
Boy, my head's spinning. I ain't gonna lie.
EMS is en route.
My shit is thumping. I'm about to fucking pass out. I'm not playing.
EMS is en route.
Y'all about to take me to jail?
Yes.
Absolutely, yes.
For what?
Shoplifting and obstruction.
Can I please make one phone call?
Man,
Ma'am.
give me a second. When I put you in the car and ready to transport, I'm going to let you make a phone call.
Boy, my shit thumping.
EMS is en route.
Dispatch 44 units, we have a pending 15D at the home store, 7805 Abercrombie Street, 7805 Abercrombie Street.
Ma'am, sit up in the chair.
Oh,
Ma'am.
that was a very controlled fall. Ma'am.
Turn her over on her side. Turn her over on her side.
Get on your side. Get on your side. Get on your side. If you're going to play this game.
Just keep her on her side.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Pablo.
Ma'am.
Yeah, we retained all of that.
Dispatch 51, where are you located?
Ma'am.
10-9.
Miss Jackson. Miss
Dispatch
Jackson.
51, what's your location?
Oh, you want to come here?
Yeah.
Listen. EMS is coming. Let's stop playing these games. Oh, let me show you one. Or move the, put the cuffs on the front.
Ma'am, stay still.
Moving your handcuffs to the front.
You want to put the cuffs to the front? You just stay still. Put your hands in the front. Roll over this way. Ma'am. Ma'am. Roll over this way.
We're going to move your handcuffs to the front.
You want to sit up?
Come, sit up. Sit up.
Hang on. Miss Jackson. Just let it be.
Just take the cuff off.
Miss Jackson, do you want an ice pack for your head? Huh? You want to get back in the chair now?
2 CR41 is trying to get you.
Huh?
You're
saying you can't move? EMS here.
EMS is here to check you out.
So, we stopped her out here. She started pulling away from me. And I had a hold of her, and she was pulling away from me, and so I tripped her foot. She fell back, and she did hit her head. We got her back up. She walked in here with us fine. Then she said her head was pounding, and then she sat down in the chair in there, and then fell, very controlled manner, fell out of the chair, and then started having what looked like a seizure on the floor. But if I'm not mistaken, if you have a head, wouldn't you immediately have that reaction? Okay.
Sometimes it's slow.
She's right here. So
Yeah. What's going on?
Hey.
What's going on? Alright, well, we're gonna try to get you set up, okay?
Oh,
Can you sit up for
I'm
us?
scared.
We'll sit up.
Gotta
Come
be
on.
able to look at you. I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Oh, my eyes.
Straighten this leg up. Alright, let's check your head out. Watch out. Did she at all look like she lost consciousness?
No.
No, she was still talking to y'all.
Yeah,
and everything?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she asked if she can call her kids multiple times.
She had
I don't have-
what seemed like a
I don't feel
seizure.
like. Oh, I'm sorry.
But it was very
Oh, my neck is
controlled.
hurting down here.
Where did she hit her head on concrete outside?
That's
Yeah.
it, yeah.
Okay.
The woman was transported to the hospital for medical evaluation.
You should have took me up on that concrete. I already know that I'm hurt, and I already know I'm hurting. Ain't nobody can tell me otherwise. That my head not spinning, my shoulder not hurting, and my back not hurting. They ain't got to tell me that. I already know that. Y'all trying to be rude to me because I'm black. Because I'm black, that's why. How she gonna tell me that I'm stealing? She see me take something out of people's stuff, y'all accuse me of stealing. That's what that is. It's okay though. Because God see what y'all doing.
Okay. What's up, brother? How's it
New
going?
pending incident.
Hi, are you Mr. Jackson? Hey, I'm Derek. I'm in the ER nurse taking care of you.
You need to take me to the jail.
What's that?
Take me to the jail.
I don't do any of that. I'm in ER.
I don't want to be seen. I said they need to take me to the jail.
Oh, okay.
Y'all ain't got to tell me that my head hurt, my fucking head is spinning.
I didn't say anything
My
to you.
head is spinning.
You
My
guys want to take her?
No, I would like her to be
Just sign
cleared.
off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you guys just give us paperwork saying she refused treatment, we'll take her to jail. Perfect. Thank you. You got it.
All the white people work together. All the grins and smiles. Y'all got secret little codes that y'all do.
Ma'am, what are you talking about?
Just
What are you
ignore
talking
her.
about?
Duh, know me because I'm black.
It has nothing to do with race. It has to do with you had a bag full of merchandise. You had a bag full of merchandise. That's what it has to do.
Stealing? How you know I was stealing?
Because you didn't pay for it. That's called stealing.
Did she see me take something?
Doesn't matter. You didn't walk in with it, and you walked out with it.
I didn't walk in with a bag.
You didn't walk in with a bag full of merchandise, ma'am.
She didn't
Ma'am.
know if I had merchandise.
All the merchandise had tags on it. What are you talking
But
about?
she didn't know. Did she see me take
Just stop. This is nothing about race. There's no
Yes, it
race.
is.
No, it's not.
New
It's
pending
you
incident.
stole, and that's it. And now you're going to jail for it. You shouldn't have stole this morning. Okay?
No, you're
you
right
made
about
you made the wrong choice,
I did.
and now you're going to jail.
No, you're right about
That's what
that.
it's about. It's not about race.
I know.
It's not about race.
I did make a wrong
Because
choice.
if you were white and you were caught stealing, you would have been going to jail too.
No.
Okay?
She would have never called y'all.
Just stop. Stop.
Hey, Rez, we just gotta take her to the hospital. We'll get this paperwork from them. We gotta take her to Memorial because they'll give us a medical clearance.
What, she's going to refuse treatment over there too?
That doesn't matter. They can give us medical clearance over there.
They can't?
That's who we have our contract with. So she can either get treated here or take her to Memorial. She can do whatever she wants to do.
What I recommend you do is get treated. Okay? You're
don't
complaining.
need to get
You're
treated.
complaining that your head hurts.
My
Let the
head-
hospital see you. Okay? I'm tired of dealing with you already.
I know, but I'm not here. I don't want treatment because I know what's wrong with me. I know my head hurt, my back.
You have a medical degree. You're a doctor.
I got a psychology degree.
Are you a doctor though?
But I'm telling you, I know my body. You know you weren't supposed to trip me like that, right?
Ma'am, you know you wasn't supposed to run away. So please relax and
I didn't run away.
stop all the foolishness. You shouldn't have stole from Target. Plain and
Did you hear
simple.
what she just said? She said she didn't run away because I tripped her.
I couldn't run. You tripped me.
Okay.
So it was effective. Is what you're saying.
No. That's not what I'm saying.
I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just trying to get you to understand. You were wrong. Take responsibility for what you did.
I was wrong.
Take responsibility for what you
I
did.
was wrong. I
And stop
should've
blaming
been.
everybody else around you.
But he's wrong for tripping me.
No, he's not.
Yes, you are.
Ma'am,
He
I
prevented
gave
you
the
from
opportunity.
escaping.
Yeah,
Do they tell y'all to trip people?
yes, ma'am. That is it.
And my head hit the concrete?
I'm sorry.
That's
that
on you.
happened to you.
That's on you. Made a poor choice, and you got a
I
poor
did make
reward.
a poor choice.
Okay, right. And so this,
You're right.
and you continue making a poor choice. And I asked you to stop, and you kept pulling away, ma'am. Okay, so
Because what were you?
If you wouldn't have ran, it's a misdemeanor amount. It's a misdemeanor amount. Okay.
And
Maybe
we
if
very-
we would have talked to you,
we
you
very
would have
well-
been released on subpoena.
yeah.
We wouldn't even took you to jail.
Yeah, because
Plain and simple.
You never told me what you were getting me for.
Ma'am,
know
you
what we
knew,
were
though.
getting
Come
you
on
for.
now.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so you didn't know that you could possibly get stopped by the police whenever you walked out of Target with a bunch of their stuff?
But who said that? How would she know that?
Ma'am,
You
do
went
know how
inside
good the cameras are
With
there?
an empty tote bag and clothes. You came outside with a full tote bag.
And then you said, we see you grabbing double of the same thing.
The whole thing is on camera. The whole thing is on camera.
Okay, I'm not gonna. You know what you did. We're not gonna play games.
No, you're right. I'm wrong for stealing.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I am.
And you're also wrong for pulling away. That is why I tripped you. Okay, you're bigger than I. You were pulling away. You're doing a good job at that. So
Instead of blaming everybody else, take responsibility for what you did, and that's it.
So, and I apologize that you hit your head. Okay.
I am wrong. I shouldn't have stole. I should not have.
And you shouldn't
And
try
I'm
to
not
pull
being
away.
a smart ass about it. I'm being serious.
Okay, so then what I recommend is that you let these people do their job and look at your head to make sure there's no underlying conditions, and then we can go through the process. Regardless, ma'am, we're just going to have to take you to another hospital. We have to get you looked
I
at.
don't want treatment. That's what I'm telling you. I don't want treatment. I already know that I'm in pain and I'm hurting.
Well, they can help you with that.
No, I don't take medicine.
All right, I completely understand, ma'am, but either way, we got to get your medical cleared, and then we'll take you to CCDC and get the process started. Or get the process, like I said, it's 2 misdemeanor charges. You're eligible for bail. You don't have to go before a judge. Okay, so just let these people do their job, and then let us do ours.
Sir, I'm swear I'm not trying to make your job hard at this point.
It seems like the opposite.
No, I'm not kidding. I promise you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm not being a smart ass. I'm telling you that I don't want treatment. I'm telling you.
Okay, and that's fine. And that's fine. That's your choice. Okay, but all this because you're a different color than me, and this is all this other stuff. That's nonsense.
Because y'all sitting here ignoring.
This is not because you're talking nonsense.
I see y'all smirking and grinning at each other.
When it comes to race, I don't play that.
I'm
Okay,
not being smart ass.
I'm Hispanic. What? I can't. I'm a minority too. I can't be racist.
I don't want treatment. That's what I'm telling you.
So that's your choice. You let them know that.
I told them already. I don't want treatment.
But at the end of the day, you're still going to jail.
That's fine. I understand that, but I'm telling you that I don't want treatment. I know that I'm hurting. They can't tell me otherwise.
Okay, man.
My shoulder is fucking tangling and it's killing me.
Which is why we put the cuffs to the front.
It's not about the handcuffs. That's not what it came from. The pain is running from my fucking head to my neck to my shoulder.
If it's anything other than this, I don't want to hear about it. All right, this is what's going on right now. Okay, you're in the hospital. You're going to jail for shoplifting. That's it. You will get a phone call when you get to the jail. We tried to call twice. Nobody answered. All right. Let's be a big girl and deal with your consequences. Yeah, we don't need to do more. Right?
No, I know.
Yeah.
I just called the jail.
She got 2 warrants as well.
Oh, she has warrants too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well then you're not going to get bail.
You said I'm not?
One at a Pooler and then one from Chatham County. So she'll already be over there.
No.
Same thing, shoplifting.
Yeah.
Where do I have warrants from? Where do I have warrants from?
I just told you. Pooler PD,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What for?
shoplifting. The
Same thing you're under arrest for now.
I understand that, but I don't know where I got shoplifting.
It doesn't say.
Ma'am, listen,
it doesn't say what
Reyes,
store.
listen, I'm gonna make it real simple for you. You don't get away with shoplifting anymore. Do you know how many cameras are in all these stores?
I haven't even been.
All right, ma'am. Your face, your name is already identified and has been passed all through the state of Georgia. Every store has your picture in a database.
Date of birth
You
is
go
going to
in there
be.
and you shoplift from them. Put it in a database and put a warrant for your arrest.
After the incident, the suspect was evaluated by medical personnel before being cleared for transport. During the investigation, officers also discovered she had outstanding warrants related to previous shoplifting cases. She was ultimately booked on charges, including shoplifting and obstructing law enforcement. As with any criminal case, the charges represent allegations until resolved through the court system. Thanks for watching this Bodycam footage. If you enjoy authentic law enforcement content, be sure to subscribe for more real-world police encounters.